Go.
Hey, Dr. Fisher again. Now we're going to go over our second video on training you interns on how to use our physical therapy equipment here. This unit that we're going to show you again, it's a fantastic unit. I think this is one of the most valuable modalities that we can possibly use on patients. It's ultrasound and muscle stem combined together at the same time. And the key to it and how I explain it to patients is you're going to feel the electro stem. You're not going to feel the ultrasound, hopefully, unless it does generate heat. And if it does get too hot, you have to tell us that it's hot so we can take it off of you, because that means it's not working right and we could burn you. So, and which rarely ever happens. But the key is with the ultrasound and muscle stem at the same time is that when you're activating the area of injury or the area of complaint, that patient can tell you, oh yeah, that's it. And that's what you want them to say, because then you can concentrate the vast majority of the treatment time on that injury spot or that dysfunctional spot. Because with ultrasound, you want to try and get the maximum amount of time on that spot. And it's like shining a flashlight. So you may not be, if you didn't know that hurt there, you wouldn't even know if you're shining the ultrasound sound waves on the area of injury. So the electrostim helps you to identify that, so it maximizes the efficiency of time. Okay. Cool. So now how we do this is this machine, great machine. Again, here's the full panel of Dynatronics. What we do is we go right to combo. Okay. And the first thing that pops up is the ultrasound. You can see there's a temperature, there's intensity, watts / centimeters squared or watts. There's continuous, there's 50%, 20%, 10%, 1 megahertz, 2 megahertz, 3 megahertz, okay? And then over here, you can see that the sound head, okay, is actually attached to channel number 2, which is here. So this is super important. You take this, which is attached, this is the ground, okay, for the ultrasound, and we take that out and we plug it into channel number 2. So now this ground pad, when we put it on the patient, it's going to be active, and the sound head will be active for electrical muscle stimulation. Okay, so now what we're going to do, let's hope maybe, let's see here, let's hope, you know what I might need to do is we're going to set this up, and then I'm going to get some ultrasound gel, and we're going to put this on Sierra, our intern, who's also our patient model. Okay, so first we're going to get this up. We'll get this up to 6 minutes. Okay, and I put the ground pad. You can put it basically anywhere. I'll try and put it, down further away, and we just stick that on there so it's good, so it's grounded. All right, now if we're going to do the low back, okay, I like to go with watts, okay? And like in school, you might learn watts per centimeter squared. I like to go to watts because it's an easier number for people to remember when I tell them what level they're at, or if I tell staff that, hey, turn this up to 8 watts, okay? Which is, it's a thick area, big muscles, so it can handle, more heat, okay? So we have an intensity of 8 watts. It's on continuous, so it's going to generate heat, okay? So that's set up right now. Then what we do is this. You hit start, even though it's not going to start yet. Now we're ready for the electrostim side, which we're going to go over next. But we're going to do a little quick pause while I grab some ultrasound gel, okay?